One thing about this world is that it is patriarchal in nature, in the sense that it is a man's world and men set the standards for themselves, right? There are certain times that I have been approached in my DMs, and the first thing the man says is, "Oh, send your account number, you look so beautiful." And the man sends me not a small amount of money. And other times that I have gone out and men approach me and they want to pay my bills and whatnot. A particular example was a man that saw me in a restaurant and paid for my meal without me even knowing, and also took my number afterwards. And that same day he sent me money for my hair, and the money for my hair was 500k. So men set the standards for themselves. And then you don't expect me. I have seen a man that paid my bills and paid for my hair that same day of meeting me, 500,000. I have also seen a man that sent me money that same day of meeting me, 1 million naira. I will now lower my standard and decide that is the one that cannot even pay for my hair when I am dating him. That is the one I want to go for. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. So you guys set the standard that you can't even meet. Because at the end of the day, when a woman is billing you in her talking stage, it's because she has seen other women collecting a lot of money during their talking stage. That is why she has the confidence to bill you. And you cannot meet that standard. That means you are not a capable man. Because why are other people meeting that standard but you can't? I believe you should work on yourself rather than tagging it that, oh, men are prostitutes, women are prostitutes. Oh, they kind of, we're just tagging different things. Why not just go and make some money and be part of the men that be sending money on the first day of meeting a woman? Am I speaking to somebody?